Today is January the 7th, and today was another Varsity Blue day for me, just a regular normal day. So I'm going to make my square Varsity Blue for just a normal day. The first was also a normal day for me, but this square is not going to have the month marker. It's just going to be a solid granny square for today. All right, so here's my square before my border. And not much to talk about today. Didn't really do much today, but starting to come along. Starting to get a little longer. Guess I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Next update. Good morning, everyone. Today is January the 8th, 2025. And I'm just going to have a combination video today of yesterday and today. And before my work day, I said, well, let me go ahead and connect these, right? I told you I sold them. It just looked, I don't know. Maybe, because I know it's going to be a gap right here when I start my next row. And then the connections are different looking. I just need to get me one of those boards, I guess. Those look good. I think I just did not go up far enough maybe with this square for yesterday. I don't know, it just don't look right. What y'all think? Today is almost over. So today was another normal day, so that's good. Had another Varsity Blue day. So that's another normal day for me on today. I want to show y'all something. How many of you all have this thing right here? This yarn winder. I got this from Hobby Lobby, I think. There's a little bracket thing that goes right here, and you're supposed to be able to hook it to, you know, I guess any table. I can't hook it to, the only thing I can hook this thing to is a card table. That's what I call them. Them tables that you fold up, the little small, I guess, TV dinner type table. And I really wanted these. And I know they got one that's electric too, that's not manual. The reason I don't like it, for one, it won't stay still. It won't stay stable with the little bracket thing. It winds to like this, right? But this is very loose. So when I start using it, it just falls apart. And it's really big. This is my yarn bowl. It takes up my entire yarn bowl. And you see it comes from all over. Like this one is coming from the top and all the way around, and then it gets stuck and the whole thing starts to want to come up. So that's that. I guess it's good for like storage. If you have a lot of yarn that you need to store. I want to know, do they make a yarn ball thing that will ball your yarn up like this? See how much room that takes up? Same amount of yarn in both. This don't take up the whole yarn bowl. When I put this string through here like this, it comes out very smooth and easy, right? That big cake thing don't do that. And I've been rolling rolling them by hand, because it's just easier for me, for one, to transport this, because I have a bag, this bag right here. If I'm on the go and I have stuff to do, like if I had to take my daughter to gymnastics, or if I'm going over someone's house and we have downtime, or we're really not doing much, or if I'm babysitting, I'll put it in my bag. This is a Doonenberg bag, if you want to know. I'll put it in here, and this fits just fine. This big thing, it gets all tangled up into everything, so it just doesn't work for me. I was gonna find another one, but I wonder, my question is, does anybody know of a device that will roll these this tight into a ball, like that's similar to this, but does it like this? That's all. That's that on that. To my mood blanket. So I'm gonna have another blue day today. So I'm gonna make that square, attach it, and that will be 7 full days. This is 7 days already. So this is a full week. So I'm gonna do 14 in a row. So it'll be long enough. This isn't gonna be long enough. So I'm gonna do another week, and then I'll go to the next row. So 1 month will be 2 rows. All right, I have finished my square for January the 8th. It's a normal day for Varsity Blue. I'm gonna add my border and connect it to my my little train here. Then I'm gonna go and get my daughter, and we gotta go make a Sam's run. Go run to Sam's real quick and get some stuff. I need to get some dog food from Sam's. We're supposed to be getting some kind of wintry mixed weather here in South Carolina. I don't think it's gonna be too much. Not nothing, you know, like people up north get, or even when I was in Tennessee. Tennessee actually is supposed to get like 4.5 inches of actual snow. But it was snowing this morning there, and I think it was snowing the other day. My friend had told me it was snowing there. I wouldn't mind it if it snowed here, if I was prepared. Because my daughter has only seen snow once in her life. You know, and actually felt it. I grew up having a winter every winter, and, you know, experiencing every season of the year, and she has not. So that's the only reason. Actually, I take that back. When she was a year old and we had just moved into our last house, we had got like 3 inches. But she was a year. She couldn't even really, you know, she don't remember that. She remembers some flurries that we had in Atlanta a couple years ago. And she went outside and, you know, played a little bit in there. But I just want her to experience it. I'm probably going to end up going somewhere. I don't know. I'll do something, because I do want her to experience snow. It's just the little things. You know, it's just the little things sometimes that you want your child to experience. When I make my last and final move, I want to move somewhere where she can experience all the seasons of the year. I have 3 places in mind. Still debating on that, though. I'm not going to move until she gets out of elementary school. I don't want to move her right now, and I'm not in the mood to be trying to pack up a house again, trying to move and carry on. So, but yeah, that's it. That's all. I ain't got no more. See you all next time. for my next my mood blanket square.